Welcome to NoMad Residences in Miami's vibrant Wynwood. Why is this the perfect project to invest your money? Because it's growing so fast. And I know some of you may be thinking that there are other areas like Midtown that may be better because they're already finished, right? So why here? Why here, Santiago? Well, it's better because there's more opportunity to grow your money. This whole area will change significantly in the next few years, with lots of exclusive restaurants not only in the building but also nearby. Keep in mind, this project will be located on 27th Street, and the building itself will start all the way on 2nd Avenue, which is the main street in Wynwood. And as you know, if you're familiar with the area, there's always a lot of people walking the Wynwood walls, visiting all the major restaurants in the area, art galleries, and also there's a lot of tourist buses that are always stopping in that area. And you may be wondering, Santiago, why do I care about tourists, right? What's the point? It's because once you own a unit in this building, you can actually do something that is very unusual in most projects like this, which is short-term rentals. You can rent the unit annually if you wish, monthly, weekly, or even daily. Now, why is that important? Because based on demand, you can increase your prices as you wish, as you see fit, based on demand. So you can change your prices basically every day if you want to rent this daily or weekly or however you want. Not to mention that on the ground floor of NoMad Residences Wynwood stands Casa Tua Cucina, a sublime Italian eatery with an expansive open kitchen and lively, joyful scene. So, that is just one of the perks of this amazing project. Now, keep in mind, this kind of restaurant, the other two are in Brickell City Center, and the other one is in the beach. Now, keep in mind, this restaurant already paid, and they are in contract for the next 15 years. All right, so that adds a lot of value to this project. Another important factor about this project is the brand name. As you may know, if you're from New York, or maybe you just know, you've heard the name before, it comes originally from New York. The first hotel was created in New York, and they were very successful because they care about their customers. That is what they do, hospitality. That's how it basically started. So they're bringing that on to a residential aspect now. But hospitality is what they do best, which is why this project is amazing if you decide to buy it as an investment. Now, the fact is that they did so well in New York that they opened more locations in different parts of the world, like California, London, all right? And also the brand name is in the amenities in the building as well, and in the units, in all the little details. Because here's another great thing about these units. They come fully furnished, so you don't have to worry about that at all. Once your unit is ready, it's basically ready to start, you're good to start renting it right away. You don't have to worry about furniture or couches, being delivered or actually finding some or thinking about that. Nope, it will be ready to go. No other building provides short-term rentals like this one. The building itself will have its own management company, which you're welcome to use, or you can use any other management company that you wish. Or you can even manage them, manage your own unit or units if you buy more than one. The association fee right now, it's $1.40 per square foot. There is a check-in desk, there is valet parking for owners, which will be free, and parking will only be for owners and users. As you may know, parking can be very limited in this area, so that's why it's exclusive for owners and users. There will be 2 elevators on the west side and 2 on the east side. There will be different entries for owners and guests. From the 2nd to the 8th floor, This is where the units are. There will be 47 units per floor, to a total of 329 units. When it comes to views, keep in mind that this is a boutique building. So it's not a high rise. So you won't really have those phenomenal views that you can get in other buildings. With this project, you will see the streets, basically. All right, so really the best unit that you will get here is the one that you can get for the best price, technically. Because, as I mentioned before, this may not be the type of unit where you want to live in most of the year or throughout the year. This is a unit you want to own to do business. They're relatively small units, and the purpose is to make money. You buy it, and then you rent it every day, weekly, monthly. It's really 100% investment. Of course, you can live there if you wish, but this can really be a very, very great investment. Non-financial advice, I'm just saying. So if you're someone who's looking to make an investment to put some money and maybe generate some income with that, some passive income, this could be the way to go. On the rooftop, you will have the amenities like a park, a restaurant, a lounge area, a library, a gym, and a lot more that I will cover in more detail when I go over the fact sheet in another video, all right? But for now, I just want to give you a general idea. About half of the rooftop will be for guests, and the other half will be private, for owners only. They have studios facing the north side, and they have sold about 80% of the 329 units. On the south side, they have all the one-bedroom units. All right, let's talk about prices. Pretty straightforward. You know, they're always subject to change, but as of now, the prices for the studios are around $645,000. For the one bedroom, $904,000. And for the two bedroom, they're around $948,000. It may be a better deal to get the two bedroom. You get the best price per square foot. So one more time, the studio is going for around $650,000. One bedroom around $904,000. The two bedroom around $940,000. You can rent the units per night or per year. As I mentioned, there are no restrictions. And again, this is an amazing investment because there is no other competition like this one in the area. And again, some of the details in these units, the finishes, the floors, the bathrooms, there really will not be any competition with this kind of style. This is the only short-term building per night in the area in its category. Again, you can change the price from one night to the next. And again, the units come with everything: furniture, TV, appliances. So you don't have to worry about buying any of that. And you know, and these appliances, they're all Bosch, so excellent quality, where you can store anything you wish to drink: water, champagne, whatever you'd like. This fridge is not gigantic. It's really the perfect size to be here 7 to 20 days, which is what most people normally do on vacation. The wood is Italian. These are all bronze. The top is porcelana, backsplash porcelana. The bathroom, all the finishes, the shower, the details, that's really what makes a big difference. And the shower, well, wow, breathtaking. If you don't mind, I'm a little tired, so I'm gonna take a shower right now. All right, everybody, so that is all for now. There will be more content about this amazing project. I'm gonna go over the fact sheet in another video. For now, you can go ahead and reach me if you want to schedule a showing. My email is info@santiagoamarino.com, or you can always send me a DM on whatever platform you're watching this, or even post a comment and I will get back to you. All right, stay tuned for more.